Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the second time I'm recording this video because my mic wasn't on. Hi all. I have changed my channel name to Cyber+Crypto because I'm planning to make both the videos on both the main subjects like cryptocurrency and cybersecurity as well. Recently, I got inspired by cybersecurity because there are many frauds and many events happening around us, and we are not aware how is these stuff happening. So I thought of getting into this field as well, that is cybersecurity. So initially, if you ask a random person, what do you think about cybersecurity? The first thing which comes in your mind is hacking, like how people hack into their third party's account. It can be your Facebook account, bank account, Instagram account, or anything. So these type of hacking happens on laptop, or it could be on Wi-Fi network or your Android phone. Anything can happen nowadays. So while hacking, so what the people do is there are mainly three types of category in hacking. One is white hat, black hat, and gray hat. So white hat is the legal, that is ethical hacking. So the black hat is what the illegal hacking happens, and the gray hat is the mixture of both. So let's stick to the white hat, and I don't know if you want to go to the black hat also. So in white hat, what happens is we learn what is hacking, how hacking happens, how you hack some other. If you're providing consultancy, then you work with some other company, you hack into their system. Not hack, they'll give you the privileges. You just go into the system, you get to know what the where the code is damaging, or you find out what are the flaws in the code and how can the system can be hacked. That is called reverse engineering, because you know how the hacking happens, and you know these things can lead to a major loss. So you apply your reverse engineering and you find out what the issue is. So that's the whole process. So in this video, what I'm planning you to show is how to create virtual machine. Now, what is virtual machine? So if you want to try your hacking skills, you have to do it on some other system. So you cannot go and buy another laptop just you want to practice a hacking your hacking skills. So the one of the main reason why virtual machine is created is, so let's consider the laptop which you're using. Let's consider and name it as a main machine. So inside this main machine, I'll help you to create two or three more systems like a laptop, like a system. We call that those laptop like systems are virtual machines. So you have two or three different virtual machines inside your main machine. Clear? So what is the need of this? So what is the need of virtual machine? So if you want to try hacking, you can hack those virtual machines, right? You don't need to go and hack some other real world laptops. You can do that later, but for practicing purpose you can do this now. You can use these virtual machine for hacking skills, or checking your skills, or to check where you're lacking behind, what is happening this. So that can be happened. So that's the main motto of this video, that I'll help you to how you can create your virtual machines, two or three virtual machine which will be similar to your laptop inside your main machine, that is your own laptop. So for that, I'll give you a link in the description. So the first link name is, yeah, this one, the Kali. So this is a great file which you have to download. So I'll give you this link in the description. Here you can see the Kali 64-bit. You can go for 32-bit as well. I went on the link one. You can go on the link one itself. So here are the description. If you want to read, you can go through all the documentation and all. This is important. Username and password. Username is root, password is reverse of that. That's it. So once you download, this is a very very big file, approximate of 3 GB of file. You have to please download it. Once you download it, you will get something like this. One second, I have saved it under hack. Yeah, this one. You say this is the file which you get once you download that 3 GB file. It will get downloaded. It will be in the downloaded section. You just create your own folder and put that inside this. So you have to just extract it, nothing else, no rocket science. Extract this file. Once you extract, there will be folder like this, and these are the files. You don't need to worry what these files are. I'll explain you later in the video. You just have to download the file, extract the file, you get all these documents over here. That's it. Let me go back. So now if you notice, it's mvvar vm file. You cannot open it randomly. No software supports it. So now I'll tell you another software which supports these files. Okay, so that software name is VMware. I'll give you this link also in the description. You have to just go to this website. It's all free, no need to give. So here you can see the Windows. For this is for Windows and this is for Linux. You have to go for Windows and download it. This is hardly 15 to 20 MB. That's it. You just have to download. Once it gets downloaded, you have to just install it. And there is no new specification has to be given in the installation. Just click next, 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 continue. Give whatever the permission is asking. Nothing. That's it. Straightforward. It will get installed in your laptop. That's it. So once it get installed, you can see this symbol. This is what you get. So that's it, done. You have downloaded this file. You have extracted. After extracting, you have downloaded this software and you have installed it. That's it. So now I'll tell you how to go forward. So once you open the software, this is how it looks. I'll close this. Yeah, so this is how the interface looks. You don't have to go here open virtual machine. These are the some of these stuff I'll tell you later. So you have to just go to file, go to the open option. Don't go to the new virtual machine, new window. Go to the open directly. Click this. So it will direct you to the folder. So this is the extracted folder. You remember we have a zip file we extracted. We got the folder. So this is the extracted folder. You click on this. It will have only one option which can be opened with this software. There were many, but the only one file gets supported by this software. You have to just click open. So that's it. It's open now. So here you can see the different specification. If you want to change the specification, you just have to go edit virtual machine settings. And here you can see memory, processor. This is important. Network adapter is that. You can change any specification if you want. I'm not doing anything. I'm just pressing OK. That's it. Now you see this green button. That's a play button. You just have to press play. So now it's gonna take minimum 3 to 5 minutes. It's loading. Now I'll tell you where you can use those password, use credentials, username and password. So what is this? This is the virtual machine. It's just a normal thing like when you open a laptop, you log in, right? You give your username and password. So this is also a virtual machine. So it's getting opened. So you have to give the username and password credentials. So that's what they have mentioned in the Kali uh, website. The username is root and the password is reverse of that. I'll show you where you have to give the credentials. So if you just minimize it, see it isn't it looks like you have a system over a system, like you have a Windows operating system and this is a Linux operating system. So you can open another and you can create another if you have another VMware file, you can open another virtual machine over here. So you have one virtual machine over here. This one is one, and you can create another one over here. So that can be used for hacking purpose, right? Using your main laptop, you can hack this one, this virtual machine. So that's how this works. So I'll give you where you have to open, and I'll explain how the interface is inside this. It's getting lowered. You can go through the options. This is just the normal options, like this is the view option, edit file. I told you how you can open, edit, view file. You can change the view. So here you can see the username. As I said, username is root, root, and password is reverse of that, toor. That's it. You have entered inside your uh, virtual machine. uh, yeah, see, that's it. I don't know what happened previously. uh Login, okay, fine. So this is how, see, you have a system. Inside this you have another virtual machine. So here you can see these are the different options. One of the best option over here is Terminator. I'll open this. So this is command line, pwd. This is the root directory which we are inside this. Cd, sorry, ls. Yeah, so these are the folders which we have inside this. You can go inside any of this by pressing cd, downloads, ls. Do we have any folders? No, nothing. Go back. Now which directory are we in? Root, that's it. So that's how it works. And if you, and best option is you can perform open multiple terminators. Like if I give split horizontally, you can perform your commands over here or here, both. Or if you want to give an split horizontal vertically, so you can perform what you here, here. So you get three command lines. So you can work wherever you want. And if you want to, uh, work multiply, you can perform here and then go forward with whatever the options if you want to do. So that's how the virtual machines you can get it. So these virtual machines can be hacked using your main machine. That if you follow my channel, I'll show you how you can hack this virtual machine, this one, using your main laptop. So for this, please stay tuned. If you like this video, please subscribe or like it. Thank you.